Hey Creeper Truck fans, I got a special treat for you. A lot of these times I'm doing conventions and stuff, I'm all the time going places and I've got other famous movie people and famous vehicle parts and things that I end up coming in contact with all the time. Well, it just so happens I'll be coming back up here to Haunted Pyramids on the second weekend in October coming up. But right now, I have something I want to introduce you to. This is the Green Goblin from Maximum Overdrive. It came out, it's one of the Stephen King movies that came out of. This is my friend right here, Tim Shockey. And he's restored this from basically a damaged piece in a junkyard to what you see now. I'll let you talk a little bit about it.
When I first got this, it was gone from here down. The top of the ears were gone, and it was burned. Totally destroyed where they blew the truck up at the end of the movie. I've had it since 1987, and 2011 to March of 2013, I restored it, spent evenings and weekends, and I travel all over the U.S. and Canada, sharing it with fans everywhere.
Well, your website, you have a website
Yes.
that you go to. What's your website?
thegoblinproject.com. And you can find us on Facebook under Green Goblin Head, same for Twitter and Pinterest, or not Pinterest. Anyway, those.
And the good thing about it is once you go to the website, you can see where the truck will, where the head will be in, and all the different other events that are coming up in the future. But thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.